Sadly, I lost the footage for the morning of day 2 where we were heading up to this skywalk aiyerwang. So we set off about 4 in the morning. It took an hour and the sunrise is at 5:30. So we spent about an hour there before we head down for breakfast.
Ayolah.
So why don't you walk like that? Then balance yourself.
Look at how steep it is lah. They have a pick and choose cuisine. So I have a NEA officer. Have a nasi kerabu here. And some noodles here. Okay, so we're gonna have some makan here. Ada macam nasi kerabu ada?
Ada, nasi kerabu biru.
Boleh boleh.
Ada, biru
Boleh.
ada.
Nasi kerabu lalat.
Nasi kerabu rakyat.
Let's try my favorite nasi kerabu. Not say favorite, like something very unique and hard to find that people present you this assortment of dishes. So there is a blue pea rice, right? And then they put ni apa ni?
Ini
Budu,
samanyo, sama ikan, behun,
Wah, dapat bihun.
behun.
Ya.
Jadi nasi kerabu, sayur.
Kalau
Ya bang,
nasi putih ada?
ada bang.
Saya tak biasa nasi kerabu.
Okay.
Abang ni sudah mana?
Saya nak tambah ayam. Gonna have fried chicken. Okay, I have this. Tak. I have this nice fried chicken piece, and I'm gonna have a piece of egg.
Kasih kak.
And oh my god.
Having the yellow rice.
And a piece of this
Macam biryani.
smelly bean. Stinky bean. Okay. Apparently their system is you eat first before you pay. And we're having a little of a communication kind of difficulty lah, because they have a very thick accent. Sometimes a little bit hard to understand. We have these cute cats here. It's a kitten, yeah. Very cute. Alright, so let's have a bit of a taste test and a close-up of what we're gonna eat. Right. Oh, you didn't watch mentioning liver, chicken liver.
Not fair lah.
How would they trust you when you want to make payment? When they ask you what you eat, you can always say, only one eat.
Trust base. So the highlight of the dish here is the chicken, as well as the kerabu. I love to eat fresh pattaya. If you don't want to have breakfast at the top, there is a local breakfast at the bottom here. And it's quite a lively place. Let's check out what the guys are buying. They are having chocolate nuggets. Satay is grilled meat. Have this very cute white cat here. So many kittens here. Sakit sah. Fight. A fighting cat. And in the past, I ate here. I ate the nasi kerabu, and she make drinks as well. Or you try eating the one at the top for today. I have these jerseys. Jerseys. Very nice jerseys here. Oh. Bottom jerseys. Hello. Very colorful, nice videos. Nice jerseys, I mean.
Just nice.
We are having fun buying jerseys here. So it's only 220 baht. Tiga. Ni baru just nice.
Just nice.
Sama design dia buy.
Second time bawa ni pula.
First time.
First time sale.
Selling. Kerja. Oh, okay. Okay, terima kasih.
Jumpa lagi.
Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum. Selamat jalan.
Mana?
Okay. Let's go.
He didn't bought roti prata.
Because it's like freshly fried there, so it's like macam I ordered teh tarik.
Tak keluar kita pada sini, tak keluar. Boleh order teh-o. Teh-o satu biasa, satu tak mau gula. Satu kosong, satu biasa.
Dia ada water.
Putih hitam
Oh.
Ini Thailand. Terus
Dia banana tu semua. Okey, terima kasih. Yang kosong.
Kak, ni sejuk dek.
Ni gula mana gula ni?
Gula ni.
Gula okey.
Sejuk.
Sejuk.
sejuk. Panas tengok ni panas.
Ya tarik dia sejuk lah.
Tak, dia tarik ni sejuk. Tahu dia tarik daripada tadi. Kau tahu tarik begini je. Serius pula.
This thick and nice. Nak want to add hot water? Tak payah. Terima kasih.
Wah,
I ordered the chocolate banana because it's not easy to find when you're at Betong town. So she's actually frying it up for me. Missed the process by a little bit lah. Banana, egg, and the flour. Very nice breakfast. Very comforting breakfast. She's flipping it up for us. Wow. Located 2 hours from Betong town is this beautiful place called Banglang Dam, I believe. So something interesting about this place is that it's situated near the cave that is very popular among bikers because it's like a road leading to the cave. So we'll go on later there. But I suggested coming here first because it is less hot. So security stopped us, tell us to park proper, but I told him, hey, give us 15 minutes just to take photos, you know. And you see they have a nice surau there. This is breathtakingly beautiful, right? And there's actually a restaurant there that I always go and stop and rest. Soaking in the scenery. Thanks for joining me today in my vlog. So you have these bamboo shoots here, right? So we're gonna take some photos and see you guys at the cafe later on.
Then from here back to our back to Betong town, how long?
2 jam.
2 jam is how many kilometers?
About 80 to 90.
Okay, nak kena isi minyak. I want to isi minyak.
I rasa tak payah tau.
I nak.
Along the way.
I bawa pun jauh juga.
Mana 10 km? 10 km je from Betong town.
ya sedut dia daripada punya ha.
Aku nak view mana
Semalam.
Oh sini tak ada guna.
Sini ada
Atas ada
green
lagi?
tea, ha.
Nak tengok?
Boleh.
Kita tengok dulu. Sini ada macam makanan ya.
Ya.
Also here is here is food lah.
I want to see drink. I'm thirsty.
Goreng tu ada.
Okay apa?
Okay, it's okay. Don't see on top.
Nak ada sini ke boleh?
Atas
ada apa?
is different.
I never seen before. I want to see. Kita tengok sekejap eh.
Ya.
Okay. Want to have a look. I didn't know last time different. Sini. Tak panas ke pakai dua? Aku tin pun panas. Tak pakai baju pun panas. Awak am kaki okey tak am? Apa ni? Sini.
Ingat yang rumah tu.
Ni kedai kecil ah, tak nak ah. Bawah. Stuffy ah. Sorry, tak nak. So we went to the top. It's stuffy. So okay. So probably just drink lah.
Isn't there anything else?
Macam ni baru yang
Here.
budak muda punya.
Wah.
Orange Americano.
Oh, ni Thai tea cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Green tea fresh milk. Black tea ice. Black tea ice. Kurang manis.
Kurang manis. Good. Very good. Green tea fresh milk strawberry.
Wah, nasi goreng dah sampai. Okey.
No, adik. Tom yum berapa?
How many baht?
Ikan seafood ada.
Ya.
How many baht?
Berapa? Ini cik. Tapi semua tulis Thailand, saya tak faham.
Itu rumah durian nanti.
1.4.
Boleh lah.
Small
Satu.
one.
Satu, kecil.
Nak
Seafood.
apa? Boleh.
Fresh.
This one black tea.
Black tea,
Yeah.
less sugar.
Nah, lemon cheese. So yeah.
Okay. Oh, so the cafe upstairs makes everything, the drink.
Correct. You know,
It's just very
I'm having the second part 2 breakfast. Because today there's going to be a lot of walking, a lot of photo taking, and I just want to be filled up because probably we're going to have late lunch later on. I cannot wait too long.
late lunch. Nanti kau tengok macam makan berapa. Confirm kau 1, 2.
So we have a seafood,
dia kata late.
fried rice. I don't want anything spicy. So they have fresh sotong. Right, they use fresh sotong here. Fresh prawns. Then a squeeze of lime. Looks simple but tastes amazing. Dah bro. That's very simple. Very easy to
My
eat.
favorite.
Kan siap biasa.
I wanted one bite, but I just finished up one section.
Okay,
Sedap
makan.
sampai. But don't worry, we have tom yum coming, guys.
No lah, don't overeat also.
My
Masa.
youngest daughter sent me a new place to do children's birthday.
You masak?
You masak?
You
Wah.
cooking?
Ini kapung kap.
Enggak.
Wow.
Okay guys, go ahead man.
It looks great, man. She cooks the tom yum.
In Quran and Hadith. They
Right,
never
and the
mention the woman.
ingredient
They
is
only
so
mention the man.
generous. The
So
sotong,
basically, it's only the men.
Mana sih?
prawns, and this is a small bowl, guys. That costs 140
No,
baht.
it's only the men.
So if you're
Because,
here, drop by
they never mention
di
the
Bali.
woman.
That's it.
So basically, the
Why did I thought it was 5 people lah?
Never mind. So
Come on, it's always cute.
Bismillah. Must take reaction photo
Approved
video.
by Faizal.
wow. Oh, baik.
Looks so plain, but it's so good.
It's super good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wah.
Better than yesterday.
Have to. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. We are done with the Banglang Dam and we'll be heading to the Crescent Cave, which is located 14 km from here, 20 minutes. Quite a bit of a distance lah. And the weather, the cloud is a bit dark, but not dark that it looks gonna rain anytime soon, but I'm not sure what you guys think. Nah, I think it's good. It's just dark, slightly darker clouds. And when you're here, apparently in Thailand, they have all these color-coded side, what we call this, road, by the side of the road here. So yellow means okay to immediately drop off, like a double yellow line. And then we have red, which means totally can't even stop there. And then they have the black and white, like the one you see here, which means it's okay to park here. How you park, I'm not sure lah, because certain places they are quite anal, right? You have to park like parallel lah, this way lah, inside lah, outside. I think it's fine. So I wanted to show you guys how steep it is going down from Banglang Dam. So you have an idea to stay safe, especially if you guys are riding motorcycle. Don't mind, I talk to myself. You can see these crazy hairpin curves, especially this one. It's a killer. Right. Tengok mic aku on tak? Mic aku pun on. Okay, 500 meters away as we turn into this cave. Right, so it's a very narrow road here. Hopefully it's open. So the turning left is, I recall, is here. Okay, we are turning in here, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Indeed, if you have the opportunity, you tell Am no need to follow us off-road if you don't want. Idin. No, come, just follow, don't worry. You know what to do one. Dia lau jiao. Dia makan garam lebih daripada kita makan nasi. Am masuk tak? Am mana? Hah? Kenapa? No, the off-road is here. That means he stopped here and then I continue go in. Later we call him. Dia tak kasih masuk lagi ya bro. Dia dah reput. Tak boleh. Dia dah reput. Tak boleh masuk. Tak boleh masuk. Dulu boleh masuk. Tak boleh masuk lagi. Dulu sini boleh jalan. Dulu sana boleh masuk off-road. Mana tak boleh lagi. Okay, I tell you what. You guys take photo with your bikes. I move my bike away. Idian, you want to park? I think Faizal kat belakang sini lah. Park and take photos wherever you guys want. Get a good angle. I think I go find Am. You and Faizal take photo of each other. Take your time. At the end there, dulu last time I go off-road at the end there, all the way in. Idin, wait I go first. Idin, wait.
Okay, bye-bye.
We are here at Crescent Cave. I know you guys been waiting for it. So here is the cave. Right, look at the top there. Very beautiful. Right, and it's a road that leads inside, but it's a dead end, guys. It's a dead end. So we have a very nice river flowing through. We even have Arm is going by. Arm is going in. Right. We will have people actually having their lunch while soaking in the cool river. And in the past, if you guys come here and you go to the end, right, you'll be wondering what's at the further end. So there's another cave, but you only can see the mouth of the cave. But I saw that deep in the mouth there are some prayer materials there. And it's not very accessible, so I saw they're trying to create a flow-through pipe. And while creating it, it caused a collapse, so they just abandoned the project. So in the past, I wanted to bring them actually to go off-road, but it's just not possible right now. Yeah. So some of the features of these caves here, look at it. Limestone most of the time. I'm going to take some beautiful photos of them. Relax bro, apa ni? Janganlah kat tembok bro. The next stop, we will probably be going to the waterfall. So perhaps I'll see you guys there.
So I followed Google Maps to head to the 7-Eleven and it got us into this off-roading mess just to save us 4 minutes. Eden was explaining that the ABS was causing him to be unable to move. I decided to ask the team to U-turn because it was leading me uphill. Both Eden and I almost lost balance and dropped the bike. In the distance, you can see the Triumph rocketry getting stuck in a ditch while Faisal is giving him a hand. I stopped to assess the situation if he required some help.
Faisal, can hear me? I go in front, I park the bike, then I help you. Ask up to hold on. Ask up to hold on.
Everybody was kind of panicking and we just wanted to get out of the situation.
You're stuck in the ditch. Side stand pun tak boleh taruh ni.
Eden got himself out of the situation and was heading over to give Arm a hand as well. Thanks to Faisal's experience off-roading, he managed to get Arm out of the mess. I felt so horrible getting everybody stuck into this mess. So throughout the ordeal, we had this man in purple who seemed to be mentally unstable. He was recording us and inviting us to go to his house for durians and other foods, but we declined because he didn't seem quite straight.
Faisal nanti langgar motor Eden come.
Faisal seemed so cool just doing an effortless 3-point turn out from the ditches.
wiper Nam? Are you okay?
Boleh tak? Ha? Aduh, saya pun.
Tak ada.
Nak naik. Itu besar. Nanti besar. Mutu nak paling tak boleh, tuai dulu. Ya. Tuai dulu. Aduh, mutu besar. Nak naik tak wani ni?
Ambil tusuk lah.
Thank God for the intercom and Faisal's off-roading experience to able to get us out of this mess. Here's another villager who seems very helpful in leading us how to get out and navigate the terrain.
Tak nak jet kita naik ni.
Jaga sini takut jatuh.
Ya. Mari.
Mana?
Takut jat rapat ni. Balik kau ni. Tak nak akik tu.
Kau nak kau ni.
Jat boleh? Boleh?
Kau nak kau ni?
Ya. Boleh tak? Aduh, itu helih lah.
Mana lagi? Singapore. Nak pergi 7-Eleven.
Singapore. Itu nak paling lesak ciri buat patah bukit ni. Ini jadi gua. Tajak mari kau nung ke kau ni dah tu. Tak ciri.
Okey. Selamat.
Okey.
A sigh of relief that everybody can probably manage here onwards, and no one got hurt nor any bike was damaged. Actually, getting the Triumph rocketry out was our priority. So thank you so much, Faizal. Alright, so we are back on the road and we'll be heading to the waterfall. This route that we are on is called Route 410, which is very pleasant to ride because it's very engaging, where it always have slight curves, some more than the others, which makes this scenic ride through the rural area very, very beautiful. It is also filled with a hilly ride with beautiful views of the skies. The gentle curves are so beautiful to ride on. Check out the view. So we're gonna stop by 7-Eleven to stock up for our lunch before we head up to the waterfall. And for those who struggle with a small tank, you guys can top up here as well. For those who can hit 250 kilometers, it's not necessary. You can just pump back when you're in Malaysia. See that they actually have some durians here, but nobody's here. So the team decided to forego on the durian hunt, guys, because we just feel we're not fated lah. So many stops along the way, but we just didn't stop. So we're gonna head to the waterfall straight. What's that in the distance? Durian ah. Yeah, stop. Alah, durian besar.
Ini manis.
Ini putih. Belum masak.
Oh, belum masak. Bro, saya nak yang manis.
Ini. Besar, Ben. Kuah manis pun ada.
Berapa?
Kuah manis 70 baht.
70 baht. Satu buah
Oh dah.
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
1 kilo berapa?
34. 1 kilo.
Ni pun tu ni pun.
Kami kasih 50 baht je. 1 kilo. 50 lah.
Ha?
50 lah boleh okey. Ambil yang mana satu?
Pilih ikan yang
Ini tak enggak.
Ni puan mani ni.
got the size of this durian.
Bukan tu.
Is it not right?
Yang itu manis.
Ah,
Yo nak makan apa bebek?
makan sekarang ah.
Yo nak
Yang
makan
manis ni.
manis, mongkong lah manis.
Mau mana?
Manis
Yo
manis.
nak
Manis.
manis.
Kalau Pak Ye tak akan ni.
Yang manis tu lah.
Yo nak
Abang belikan saya.
manis.
Belikan saya.
Belikan.
Dah lama
Ni hok ni hok
Baru.
Yo panas.
Dia panas.
Bang. Okey. Abang
Tengok
belikan.
ni video.
Bang pilih ikan.
Abang.
Ha ni betul ni.
Dua teh.
Ni kelang. Dua teh.
Ya, ada.
Dua teh.
Dua ada.
Puan mani.
Tengok sini.
17 1 kilo.
Kau tahu sembelih ayam?
Kemarin
50.
Jadi mek.
Ha, terang akan. Tak apa. Boleh. Ni
Ini
boleh.
gratis ah?
Mek puan mani dekat mana?
ni.
Manis ni manis ni.
Yo minta ni.
Boleh lah boleh.
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 Tak ada buah macam.
Boleh lah. Aku buang dia mah.
Boleh.
Tak try ah?
Ni terang ni bang. Dia nak buat teh.
Ya. Ni mek tak lain ni. Tahu.
Okey. Okey, boleh. Dia kata ni bukan untuk makan. Okey.
Sedap. Ni. Ni.
Okey,
Salah.
ni semua manis.
Banyak dia tak 70 manis.
70 baht ni.
Ya tak ayo minta 50.
lah,
Nek
1
banyak
kilo.
tak banyak je.
1 kilo 50 lah. Bang.
50.
1 kilo 50. Boleh lah. Ini hari panas bang.
Kita beli lebih.
Ha?
Kita beli lebih. 2 kilo.
Ada suka.
Tak ada suka lagi.
I select on.
Ya, aku nak offer you. Buy more lah. If you say nice, buy more. Asal dia makan?
Makan bang. Mari dah Thailand ni nak makan.
Ni mana ada?
Satu dulu, tu satu.
Ai kau.
Thank you. Ramai. Let's try out the durian.
Tak mahir ni.
Wah.
Banyak nanti.
Sedap.
Boleh bang. Berapa? 2 eh? Ni 2.
3 teh.
3.
Ada lagi.
Tak apa, makan 3 dulu lah.
Bau. Tak ada apa yang.
Boleh saya duduk makan
Ni dalam.
dalam eh. Okay, go guys. Inside.
Okay.
Ni nak mana? Pelan-pelan.
So is telling the grandma to be careful with the knife.
Boleh.
Okey, okey.
Tu boleh.
Ni saya.
Okey, bawa masuk dalam.
Tak ada tempat mana?
Dalam situ.
Sudah sini, okey.
Go. Go inside.
Okey. Masuk sebelah mana? Sini.
Saya.
Okey.
Apa saya nak makan? Baik.
Makan gede.
Because I'm getting the best deal in town.
Can buy more. So.
Roy.
It's a little bit non-typical of Thai durian. I believe this is the kampung durian.
Mak tak nak kaya saya.
Amazing. Intense kampung flavor. It's a kampung durian.
Mana mau dapat ni? Kita gini yang manis.
Baik ya. Dia abang tu bercakap yang motor tadi semua murah. Yang lain mahal. So it's worth you.
About to try this red one.
Ini kasih habis.
Yellow.
Gini Mak, dimet.
Wife aku tak makan durian.
Earlier one is nicer.
Tak boleh bawa balik bro.
This one tastes not as intense.
Oh yellow.
Oh yellow. Ini yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Macam nak ambil ke?
Aku takut Amara, aku jambek tengok jambek
No,
tengok
kau
dia.
jemput dia jauh dari aku. Aku yang
Aku takut dia sound. Aku kan tak ada pergi waterfall kan.
You know, we
Tak
all
sampai-sampai
stop,
gitu.
You don't mind we just nanti Amara lah. Nanti
Amara.
We all takut nanti Amara kau jam break lah.
No lah, it's okay.
Gitu ah.
Because the lady say no more.
I think can one more, but we finish this first. We don't.
Tak, kalau nak, suruh buka. Back. Sebab we water.
Okay.
Boleh?
Bang,
Kalau saya ambil lagi.
Ini mas, saya buka ini, ikat dengan letak apa pasti? Boleh.
Boleh lah.
Okey.
Boleh. Ni berapa?
Berapa?
the support.
They are so friendly ya. Same print this place lah.
Sayang.
Tengok ada PR, leader.
Aku yang PR rabak. Nobody want to cheat him. Faizal also can be quite good.
Apa betul? Boleh.
Alamak, astagfirullahaladzim.
Wah, dia belum jatuh.
Benda tu melekat, tak melekat jatuh.
Diam lah. Ada berbual Melayu.
Mak ajar, mak aku ajar.
I really hear this kind of comments from you.
Always here. You what? Never hear.
Rarely.
Yeah.
Maybe that was the first time.
My mak will nag at me like that.
Nak balik ni bang?
Pergi waterfall. Ha. Mau sejukkan badan.
Dah hiti lah.
Kawan mana kawan?
Mulik kafe.
Okey, dah okey. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.
Itu apa? Tempoyak?
Ah.
Okay lah mak. Bye dulu mak.
Selamat jalan
Terima
lah.
kasih.
Assalamualaikum mak.
Great experience. Hotel. Betong Hotel.
Assalamualaikum.
Kau jangan cakap hotel lah. Selamat.
Terima kasih.
Great experience with the local because of rapport. So awesome. PR baik. Johnny. Eh, dah tengok aku ah. Looking at me. Anjing. Now you feeling unwell lah? Tak. Apa? Banyak orang tak tahu lah. Banyak orang tak tahu pasal tempat ni dalam sangat. Tak apa saya nak masuk kan tengok satu foto pun tak keluar. Ni tempat hidden gem lah bro. Hello. Tutup. Tutup lah.
Bahaya tak malam nata apa tu tak tahu lah.
Oh.
Ni dah pukul 3 dah masuk pukul 4 lah.
Oh.
Itu masa yang raya sekat pukul 3 kan.
Dah tutup. Okey lah. Tutup. Well, just not our luck. So, if you ever get to experience a waterfall, just remember there's a restaurant here at the foot, which is quite decent actually. Yalah, kata dia enjoy atuk bawa keluar. Sweet dia tengok ni. Dia dah tua dah. Dia tak nampak siapa. Whoa, I think Idin got a little bit patient. Nothing like chasing your buddies down random mountains in Betong. So we're gonna head to this grass jelly shop that I've always liked and always stopped. So let's check it out.
I'm gonna show you guys the interesting process of grass jelly back over here. So this is how they make it, and then they cook the grass jelly that they use firewood to do it, and they're keeping it for the next day probably, and they actually hand make it and they sieve it. I'm gonna give the taste test of the grass jelly. So must you guys mix the ice or just eat? Okay, so we're gonna mix up the ice here. Alright. So Faisal said the sugar is at the bottom.
This is refreshing gila.
Right. And we all just ordered second bowls. And I'm gonna give it a try.
Oh, Yamit, mana? I think he will bring us this way.
There's a nice
Yamit Lam.
texture to the grass jelly. The sweetness have like a pandan taste to it. Every time we stop here. Off Google they actually said it was closed at 3, but now it's about 4:30 and they're still open. So lucky for us. We are here to collect the sticker for our motorcycle. Right. Boleh ambil? Ada video ya.
She's so helpful. I think she's trying to help me find as well because I ordered through her.
Okay. Oh. Okay, kasih. Yeah, we got this one 610. Oh. So we are actually they pasted his group photo here, but we're not able to find now. But probably 4 years ago might be a bit long. Probably may have cleared the older ones. I don't think it's here.
Just wanted to show you guys how filthy the bike got by the time we got back to town because of the off-roading and the construction that was going on. Check out this cute cat dressed up in LV. Anyway, we spent the rest of the evening just walking around town. Dinner wasn't too great and it wasn't appropriate to take a video then. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for part 3 where we head back and the aftermath of touring.
Bye bye.